Hey guys, day 26, game plan. I want to try to get this and this back in here. But I gotta hook this up to the hoist. I changed the wheel. I gotta hook it up to the hoist and actually roll it over here. I can't bring this garage door up because it'll hit the front of my Camaro. So what I want to do is get it over there, get the garage door up high enough to where I can roll that right out and right back into where it belongs. I'll get back to detailing out the motor. I'm just trying to free up some space and I can slide the motor in once it's in place. But in the meantime, before I put the motor in, while the frame is in, I can hook up all my fuel lines and everything without having anything in my way. And I'm hoping to get the rear in as well. So we'll see. But I just wanted to keep you posted on what was going on day 26. Alrighty, let's get to work. Got the frame back in. Pretty excited about that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to run all my fuel lines and like my brake lines. I'll run my fuel lines, my brake lines, everything I need to put on the frame, so when I drop the motor in, I'm not working around it. But I'm pretty excited that I got the frame back in. I'm hoping by the end of the day I might have this thing back on the ground. Well, maybe not on the ground, but ready to go back on the ground. All right, I'm going to keep going. All righty. Hey guys, I just want to show you this alignment hole, okay? When you set these frames in, there's an alignment hole right here. Right here. There's a hole directly above that. There's a hole. Right here. You got to try to get that as close. You want to get it right on if you can, or as close as you can, because that squares the whole car up to the frame. So I just wanted to show you that. Something else I had to show you. You know, I said earlier that I couldn't get the garage door up. Sometimes I just get stuck on stupid. You know, I just load the car down so I can get the garage door all the way up so I could do what I had to do. So when I said before about I couldn't bring the garage door up all the way, yeah, I was stuck on stupid. So, but that's it. I just had to tell you that and show you that alignment pin. There's two of them. There's one on this side and on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but I just grabbed an extension. That's it. I grabbed that, I slide it in there. It's easier when you're underneath, you can actually see it better. So, alrighty, let me get back to work. Guys, I just want to show you something before I keep going on this. The body bushings on these cars, I want to show you the fronts and the backs. This right here, this is the front body bushing. It goes right there. This is the rear. It goes right up in there. They're also different heights. Okay, look at it. It's important you put them in the right way. If not, all your alignments are going to be terrible. You're just going to fight with it. All right, so I actually put it together, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just take this apart so I can show you, so you can see it, because it's an easy mistake everybody makes. I've made the mistake before as well, but I figured maybe if I could teach it from my mistakes. But that's it. I just wanted to show you. Back to work. All right, so I got the fuel lines in. I got the supply and the return. I just have to put the front brake line in, the hard line that runs along the frame. And then I think I could probably put the motor in. I'm probably not going to do it today because I still need to detail it out. But I'm going to just try to get to the stuff that I could put in now. This way I'm not working around the motor once I put the motor in. Actually, now I'm getting ready to put that in. So I'm just going to throw a set of tires on it and take it off there, and let's get it back in the car. I mean, you know, that's where it belongs. So here I go. Hey guys, want to know why I got a smile on my face? That's why. It's on the ground. I did the fuel lines. Let me show you what it did so far. I'm really, really happy this thing's back down on the ground. And it rolls. It rolls. It actually rolls. So, right now, this is pretty much the end of day 26. I got the fuel lines in. I got the front brake line in. I got the rear in. You know, I detailed that a little more underneath the car. You'll see in the video, I was kind of getting really psyched on getting the rear in, and I put the wheels and tires on it, and I had to take them back off before I set it back underneath the car, because I was kind of excited to get it done. But I mean, here it is. Yeah, hold on a second. I just got to get that detailed out. And, well, it's just that. I mean, I got everything to do. But this is where I am on day 26. And I'm really, really excited that this car is back down on the ground. So I'm going to keep just plugging away. I don't even have a game plan right now, other than maybe just detailing the motor out and getting this all done. So I'm hoping, but hopefully tomorrow I can get that done. And in the next day or two, maybe even get it in here. Then I gotta order the exhaust and everything, because I'm going with the stock exhaust manifolds on this car. But I'm doing 2.5 inch pipes, down pipes with 2.5 exhausts all the way out. So it'll look nice. And these wheels and tires aren't staying on the car. These right here. I'm gonna throw these BFGs on this car. These are 235. Those are 235 60-15s. They don't rub. You can't put these on a 67 or 68, they'll rub. And the rears those are 255 60-15s. They don't rub. I mean, every 69 Camaro that I've ever owned, that's the tire combination that I have. Love it. It gives it a nice stance, slight rake. It's just very subtle. So that's it, really. You know, I'm gonna end this day with. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. All right, I really appreciate you guys watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.